Hi class, let's take a look at the next set of examples. And in this case, we're going to be looking at a technique of solving systems. And this technique is going to be by graphing them. Now, since most of our sketches are going to be rough sketches, you may have to use technology. So you could use Desmos to check your solution, especially if it's a messy decimal. Or the software for the homework or quizzes and exams will give you the software for you to graph it. So for the first equation, notice that your y-intercept, it's going to be 0, 2, and your slope is equal to 3 over 1. And then your second equation, well, your y-intercept is 0, 5, and then your slope of 0 because you're dealing with a horizontal line. Now, let me actually graph these. So for the first one, we're looking at a horizontal line passing at 0, 5. So our solution is, so our equation is going to be here. So let me make it a little bit thicker so we can actually see it. So, okay, so that's the first one. And then the second one, actually, wait, that was the second one. So the first one, it's going to have, let me put the dots. So it's going to have a y-intercept of 2. That's going to be this point here. And then a slope of 3. So technically from here, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 to the right, which actually puts us at the intersection. So let me connect these two dots. So this dot here, and it's going to go through there. Okay, and at this point, we can actually see the solution. And our solution, I'm just going to put it here. So our solution as an x and y happens to be 1, 5. And keep in mind that, well, it's the coordinate point of the intersection. In this case, we're looking at this dot. So this happens to be that coordinate point of the intersection. So this method is great if we have technology. For most of the problems, we're going to just be doing sketches. So you may have to look at Desmos, especially if it's a messy decimal. Let's take a look at the second problem. And in this case, let me actually write the important information on these ones. So for the first equation, your y-intercept is 0, 6 and a slope of 3. So 3 over 1. Your second one, your y-intercept is 0, 2 and a slope of negative 1 over 1 for our second equation. So let me put the dots. So for the first one, y-intercept of 6. So that's going to be here. And then a slope of 3. So technically 1, 2, 3, and 1 to the right. Our second one, and let me change colors. Y-intercept of 2. So that's going to put it here. And then a slope of negative 1. So technically 1 unit down and then 1 to the right. And let me put those two lines. And it seems like I'm going to have to extend them so we can actually find the intersection. And let me make it thicker. Okay, at this point, we can see a solution. In our solution, it's going to be this coordinate point here. So we're looking at this one. And let me just write it on the side. Our solution as an x and y, and we're looking at -1, 3. So -1, comma 3. I put the dot a little bit off, but you can actually see the intersection, -1, 3. Another thing we could do, especially because we're doing a sketch, is graph them on Desmos. So let me graph both of these on Desmos, and then we'll take a look. So let me pause the video, and then I'll pull them up. Okay, so let's take a look at these graphs on Desmos, and let's take a look at the first one. So the first system was y is equal to 3x plus 2, so 3x plus the values of 2. Second equation was y is equal to 5, so y is equal to 5. And here's what we found on our sketch. Let me go back to the file. So we found on the first one, 1, 5 as a solution, and then you can see here 1, 5 happens to be our solution. So we're good on the first one. The second one, let's take a look at Desmos. It looks a little bit off on the sketch, but I think it's just the angle that I was using. So our second one was y is equal to 3x plus 6. Second equation, y is equal to -x plus the values of 2. And we found -1, 3. On our sketch, it looked a little bit off, but I think it's just the angle of the line. So that's actually it. So the graphical method, we're just plotting sketches and then estimating the coordinate point of the intersection. So that's it for these two. I'll do the other problems in the other video.